Hi, I'm Amanda and I set up Just One Tree. So of course I love being outdoors. I'm also really worried about climate change and what it means for the future of people like this. We're also part of Generation Restoration and we're restoring landscapes and lives around the world. We plant trees in 16 different countries, from the high Andean mountains of South America to mangroves along the coastlines of Africa to kelp regeneration in the oceans. We're basically having a positive impact on people and planet.
I volunteer with Just One Tree. So, of course my sushi is vegetarian. But I'm also part of Generation Restoration, which means I spend a lot of time on social media raising awareness about why we need to plant more trees and restore ecosystems.
I'm part of Just One Tree, so of course I mend clothes so they can last for longer. But we are part of Generation Restoration, so I work to find projects to partner with so that we can restore nature together.
I volunteer for Just One Tree, so of course I feed the birds to encourage biodiversity and natural British wildlife in my garden. But I'm also part of Generation Restoration, so I volunteer with Just One Tree to raise awareness of climate change and of reforestation and how that can help people tackle the environmental problems we have today.
I volunteer at Just One Tree. So of course we know all the elements of nature, but I'm also Generation Restoration. So I help Just One Tree with captivating social media content and do my bit towards global reforestation. Peace.
I volunteer for Just One Tree, and of course I'm passionate about restoring and protecting the planet. But I'm also part of Generation Restoration, and I'm helping Just One Tree to bring free education about the environment into schools all over the world.
I volunteer for Just One Tree, so of course I'm passionate about the environment and planting trees, kelp and seagrass where they're needed most. I'm also part of Generation Restoration, so I'm committed to raising money and educating current and future generations about the importance of reforestation and net zero. To paraphrase the poet Mary Oliver, what is it you plan to do with your one blue and beautiful planet?